Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cricket Prediction Australia. Today we are going to tell you BBL match number 55 match prediction, which is between Melbourne Renegades versus Hobart Hurricane. Friends, if you don't subscribe our channel, please do it. If you subscribe our channel, we will be happy to do more predictions. So let's see the head-to-head record. Melbourne Renegades win 6 times and Hobart Hurricane win 6 times. In the next match, Melbourne Renegades versus Hobart Hurricane. Our prediction is Hobart Hurricane will win the match. What do you think about this match? Who will win? Share with us in our comment box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe please.